Alright, I am back with another nail video. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm outside. I'm going to do my nails. And hopefully you can see this well. So I'm using the SensatioNail nail kit again. I got a few years ago. These are some new colors that I purchased. Alright. Okay. That's going to help me. Okay, great. So this is one of the new colors. Oh no, sorry. This is the cleansing stuff I had to purchase again because it kind of evaporated on me. But I think it's really only something like acetone. That's what I really think it is. This is a new color called a Summer Story. I ordered it off of Walmart. This one is Golden Year, and then this one, what's this one? This one's called Midnight Rendezvous. So I'm just sitting outside. I'm gonna do my nails. I use the a Summer Story, which is a red. I use this one on my toes. I already did my toes. So if you remember from my first nail video, you have to make sure your nails are free of any oil. That's what this is for. Gel cleanser, and also you use it at the very end of the process. So I'm just going to dampen the little cloth, go over my nails. Just make sure they're free of like oil, and I'm actually eating goldfish crackers out here too, so sorry. Now the next step is the gel primer. So I'm gonna put that on, and you're just gonna put that on your nail. My nails aren't very manicured at all. All I did was file the tips. I pick my skin really bad when I don't have like fake nail stuff on or powder or whatever, and it's a really bad habit, so my skin ends up getting really picked up. Sorry, our music is a little loud. I hope you can hear me. If not, I'll just have to do a voiceover. But I'm doing this rather quickly. You don't have to put it on there any certain way. That's that part. Okay, next you're gonna put the gel base top coat. So this is used in the beginning and also at the end of the process. And this is the very first bottle that I had when I bought my kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish using this up, or try to get down to the end of it. I hope you can see, okay? Yeah, hopefully so. So I'm going to put on a very thin layer of the base, and I'm going to use the LED light when I put it on. So very thin is the key to this SensatioNail product. It's thin layers. Try to get it on the nail only, not on your skin. If you do, it's easy to just wipe off with a paper towel, or with the other piece of your, like a free nail basically, to clean it up. So I'm just putting this on extremely thin. It's better to put on a bunch of thin coats than to glop it on. It just will not set right. And sometimes you might see me dipping more than once because mine is down to the end. It is Sunday here, but so I'm going to use my Sunday to do something good for myself. We have enjoyed worship service online because we are all still staying home, and also Sunday school via the Zoom app. So all of that was really, really good. We enjoyed it. And once this goes off, I'm gonna stick my thumb in there. It's a little bit hard to do your thumb and your fingers. This one is not that big, but it does the trick. So for the money that I paid. So just get it in there the best way you can. But all in all, this does not take that long. TJ, can you turn the volume down like one notch? Did you turn it down? 2 notches? Okay. Oh. Huh? So the kids are about to get in the, well, Tyler's already in the pool, so it's a beautiful day. Alright, second hand. Now, I wanted some white polish. They didn't have it to be delivered. This order took like 2 weeks for me to get it. But, you know, they're making a priority to get you essential things with mail delivery right now. So, I think I had nail polish and a few personal items in this order with Walmart. Could have went up there and got it myself, but trying to stay in. I really am. Okay, so again, a very thin layer. Again, it's just your base coat. And then you're just going to stick your nails under here. It's about a 15-second light right now. And on my nails, I'm going to try the, what am I going to polish them with? I'm going to polish with the black. And I'm going to do an accent of the gold, I think. Just on one nail. This one. Let me see it. Golden year. It's supposed to be sparkly, but I do want to see what it's going to look like. So, you know what? I'm going to do that one first, just to get an idea of what it's going to look like. I'm going to put it on my ring finger. Oh, it's totally just glitter. You know what? This might look good on top of something. But anyway, let's just see what it looks like by itself. Just on the ring finger. Thin, thin, thin. Oh yeah, it's definitely a polish you want to put on top of a solid color to give you some glitter. I'm just going to do like, I don't know what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take it off. No. I'm going to roll with it. So, I'm just going to have to put like 2 or 3 coats on it. I'm going to go with the black. See what happens. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's black. So let's see what this looks like. Yep, it's black. So this takes a little bit longer because you want to, you know, do a nice job. And by nice job, I mean the best you can do. I'm not a professional nail lady. It's a bug. Oh my gosh. And hopefully all the nail people are back to work really soon. Okay, that's the black. So I'm going to paint the rest of these here. And then I can dry them. See what we're looking like. Okay. this. No? Hopefully it'll look good when I finish. Talking with my mom on FaceTime. So I've got all my polish on, my clear, and I've used my LED light. At the end I used it a couple settings at the very end, and so now I'm going to use the gel cleansing liquid and the swab here to take the top layer of the stuff off. I don't know what it's called, but anyway. So I'm just going to wet that really good and wipe off that top layer. And then I am good to go. My nails will be done and good for at least 2 weeks, hopefully. And that's SensatioNail kit. My mom ordered her one, but hers hadn't come. She ordered it through Amazon. Right, Mama? Amazon?
Yep.
So that's it. So it was black and the gold little sparkly. And that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, I looked last time my video was 2 years ago on SensatioNail. So we're with the Corona shut-in or COVID-19 and doing our nails at home. Y'all have a blessed day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.